Last week we spoke about our role when it comes to supporting farmers. Today we are going to talk about what we can do in the current situation to help the farmers further. At Good by Nature, we have started the COVID support campaign to help farmers feed the hungry. The lockdown has created a strange situation. Thousands are going hungry because they've suddenly lost their homes, their source of income, their food. On the other hand, we've started to see reports of farmers with perishable items like vegetables, milk, having to allow their harvest to go to rot or to waste because the supply chains are all broken. We've started looking at these two problems together and we realized that one problem could solve the other. All it needed was the cooperation of a conscious community. Our friends at Ground Up started scouting around for organizations that were feeding the hungry by organizing food. We spoke to Wapcall, who work with the BIF network of farmers to help them bring their crop to the market. We found out that a group of farmers in Bhor area were unable to sell their produce, and there was the risk that over 3,000 kilos of produce would be left unsold. We decided to start a movement by allowing people to buy food from the farmers, which would be delivered to places that were feeding the hungry. We set up the possibility on our website, goodbynature.in, where people could buy kilos of produce in bulk. The money that was generated was directly forwarded to pay the farmers, and the food that we bought was sent to organizations that was working with the poor. In 3 days, we had enough contributions to buy the entire crop of 3,000 kilos. The community stepped up with over 30 people participating. On 6th April, over 1,000 kilos was delivered to Gurudwara Singh Sabha in Ganeshpet, where they are cooking meals to feed over 2,000 people on a daily basis. On 8th April, we sent about 2,000 kilos to Mashal, an NGO that is working with other organizations to feed slums and daily wage laborers. MLA Siddharth Shirore and his team worked out a plan to distribute the produce amongst those who needed it the most. About a third of this produce went to a construction site in Baner, where it was distributed among workers who were given shelter there. A large part went to a community kitchen in COEP that is being run by DICCI in collaboration with the Shivaji Nagar police. Food is cooked and distributed to several slums. Vegetables were also added to ration kits and distributed to families in slums who could cook their own meals. At a time like this, several people are working hard to ensure that there is a distribution of daily staples, but access to fresh produce is becoming difficult. The ones who miss it the most are the ones who do not have the means to buy their own food. Our contribution of fresh produce lit up some faces. When we delivered produce, we saw it being handled with care. Every piece of broken vegetable was carefully gathered and saved in the pile. Every morsel is precious, something we should never forget. Our work is not over. There are hundreds of farmers still in distress and thousands who remain hungry. We've extended the program on our website to aid more farmers with fresh produce. You can make your purchase online and your contribution will be delivered to places where the food is needed and appreciated the most. We are in this together. This is not a charity. The farmers from whom we buy the crop deserve to have buyers for the food that they produce. And the people who are suddenly left hungry are the ones who work day and night so our cities stay clean, our houses are built, materials are carried, goods transported. It is our responsibility that we do not leave people who contribute so much to our lives in trouble when they face trouble that is out of their own control. This is what a community is about, creating circles of support because we all need each other. And that's why the effort of a community together is what has made this possible. You can join the effort on goodbynature.in.